Today is Monday, 29th of January 2018. Here we are on Bitcoin. As my last update on Bitcoin, I said the bulls really needed to defend this 123, which aligns up with a 62 Fibonacci measurement on another swing move. They need to defend that. If they do, they need to consolidate and push higher. A few things here on Bitcoin that don't look very encouraging for the bulls, and I'll probably get a lot of trolls making comments that purely not based upon what I trade, and that's off the charts. What I mean by that is there's been past few days there's been numerous attempts the bulls to push this higher, but there's been little to no conviction in this whatsoever. And even given that on Friday we had a hammer that sat perfectly above that 123 at 11,095, but there wasn't very follow through buying at all. And once again, currently today we're getting price of Bitcoin's being sold into. So this to me is a very ominous warning for the bulls out there that the bears looks like they could be reloading up here for another major move lower. The key takeaway for this for me is if we get a confirmed breaker, these intersecting Fibonacci's measurements, the 123 at 11,095 and the 62, if we get a confirmed break by that, so what I mean by that is if we get a candle that closes below this line, so for example if I visually drew that in, so if we get a candle that moves lower and closes below here, that's confirmation that the bulls have lost this area of support and prices could very well plummet. Something to take note of, not that it's an ultimate target, it will be one day in the future, but we still have this gap open at 28.76. ultimately that's going to be filled, and I can't wait for the people to ridicule me and that's, oh, Bitcoin's never going that low. I think, well, that gap will definitely be filled at some point, and given that the bearish momentum is building here, it could come sooner than later. But in the short term, once again, it's that area of that 123 and that 62 of around 11,000. If the bulls fail to hold that support, we could see selling really pick up here.